Hello everyone, hope you are all fine. In this video I will explain the most basic question the companies may ask question in, that is on even and odd number based topic. This topic is a very much basic, I can say. They may ask many different type of question on this even and odd numbers only. In this video I will explain how this even and odd numbers work, and I will just take one simple question here to explain with question itself. Let's take an list of elements. Okay, list of integer 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, what the task here is, I need to get the sum of all the even numbers in a list. Okay, I need to get the sum of all even numbers, that will be 2 plus 4. Okay, 2 plus 4, the total sum will be 6. After this I need to get all the odd number sum. Okay, odd sum, that will be 1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, the total sum will be 5. After this what I need to do is get the absolute difference of this even sum and odd sum. Absolute difference means there will be no minus. Okay, absolute of 6 minus 9 means it will be 3 only. Okay, this is the task, this is the question I have taken to explain this even and odd sum. So they may ask in many different ways. They can ask only print the even numbers in a list, or they can ask print just odd numbers in a list. Otherwise they will ask get all the even numbers and sum that and divide the number by 2, and get all the odd sum and divide that by 3, and finally get the absolute difference of that. They may ask in many different ways, but basically the even and odd number concept will remain same. Okay, I will explain in codes. Let's get into the code here. First step, I need to take an input from user, that is list. So here I will take list. Okay, first I will take all the input from user, list map int comma input dot split. Why I am writing this list dot list of map, all this means in any interviews or in any interview round coding question, the major type of the default input type will be take all the inputs in a single line. Okay, so you will be given a code and you need to take a input in a single line. Okay, like this 1 2 3 4 5 with by separated by space or separated by comma, whatever the delimiter they can specify, you need to take the input in that format. So to do that in Python, it's very simple. This line of code indicates to take the input in a single line. Okay, so this input will be the input from user of integer data type. Okay, so this split will get the elements after space. Okay, it will take 1 as a separate number, 2 as a separate number, that is after space. Okay, if there is any comma or any different delimiter, just specify inside the parenthesis of split. Okay, if there is a comma in the input, just specify delimiter here. This is how you will take a input in a single line. So there is one more method also, so just practice this one, it will be very helpful. Okay, after this the question, I will get into the question. What I need to do is get all the even numbers from a list. Okay, here I will take a for loop to iterate through all the elements in a list, so that I will use for loop for I in list 1. Okay, so after this what I need is one more variable, that is even. So whenever I found a even number in a list, okay, so this is list 1, sorry. So whenever I found even number in a list 1, I need to add that to one of the variable. Okay, so that's how I will get the sum of all the even numbers. So I will do this. If I modulus 2 is equal to 0. Whenever element in a list is even, so I need to add that number to a variable called even. So I can't specify a variable like this. I need to initialize this variable earlier before using this statement. Okay, that's why I will get one variable named even. So whenever I found a even number in a list, I will add that even number to this variable. Okay, so likewise whenever I found odd numbers, I need to add that odd number to that odd variable. Okay, so else just add that number to the odd number. So this is how we will get the sum of even number in a list and sum of odd number in a list. Basic this is the base for many question. Okay, after this only they will change the question. You just need to do some numeric operation on this sum of even number, or you must do some numerical operation on these odd numbers. It will depend on question. For our question, what I need to do is just print the absolute of even minus odd. Okay, so this is what the question I took to explain even and odd numbers. So okay, let's run this code and see whether it is working fine or not. I will give all the numbers 1 2 3 4 5. This is a list of numbers. Okay, after this the output will be 3. I will give another input. Let's verify for 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Output will be again 3 only. So let's see whether it is working fine or not. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5, the 12 will be the even sum. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 12 minus 9 will be 3. So the code is working fine. So what you need to focus on is how we get a even and odd number from this will helpful in many questions. Okay, this will help you to solve many question even and odd method. Okay guys, this is it for first video. Just practice this line of codes, or practice further more question, so you can get in HackerRank or CodeChef, wherever you want. Just practice the problems on even and odd method. So that's it for today guys, that's it for this video. I will be back with another video. Until then, see you guys, bye.